Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a critical tool for performance testing and engineering, PerfMon. If you've ever struggled with system slowdowns or bottlenecks, PerfMon is your solution. Short for Performance Monitor, it's a built-in Windows tool that tracks and analyzes system performance in real time. Think of it as your system's vital signs monitor, providing detailed insights into CPU usage, memory consumption, disk activity, and network traffic. It's been around since Windows NT 3.1, originally known as System Monitor. Why do performance professionals need it? PerfMon is indispensable for identifying bottlenecks, troubleshooting production issues, and validating system behavior during load testing. It answers crucial questions. Is the system responding quickly? Is it busy or idle? How much memory is consumed? And how often is the disk accessed? Without it, we'd be flying blind. PerfMon allows us to correlate load tests with system metrics, monitor application-specific counters, and detect memory leaks or CPU spikes. It's an essential diagnostic tool for performance engineering, SRE, and DevOps. The core of PerfMon relies on counters, the specific metrics it tracks. You can add these by clicking the green plus sign in the PerfMon window. For performance testing, certain counters are critical. For CPU, monitor percent processor time for overall usage and percent privilege time to understand kernel mode work, which indicates driver or I/O pressure. Processor queue length is also vital, and consistently high values above the number of virtual CPUs signal CPU saturation. For memory, watch memory, available bytes to detect shortages, and memory, pages per second, to identify excessive paging, meaning data is moving between RAM and disk too frequently. Page life expectancy is another key counter, especially for SQL Server, showing how long data pages stay in cache. Regarding disk activity, percent disk time for physical disk or percent disk time logical disk shows how busy your disks are. Disk reads per second and disk writes per second are crucial for understanding I/O operations, while average disk queue length indicates pending requests. For network monitoring, bytes total per second provides an overview of data sent and received. Beyond core system metrics, PerfMon can monitor application-specific counters for technologies like .NET, IIS, or SQL Server, providing invaluable insights into your application's internal workings under load. When setting up monitoring, use data collector sets to organize and schedule performance counter data for later analysis, which is especially useful for long-duration tests. Remember to set an appropriate sampling rate. Anything under 5 seconds creates too much noise. By effectively configuring and analyzing PerfMon counters, you'll proactively identify and resolve issues, ultimately delivering a more robust and responsive application.